Ta leta in naslednja leta nas pričakujemo zelo velike izzivi glede trajnosti, glede embalaže, ker naša industrija je res pod pritiskom različnih uredb, katere moramo izpolnjevati, katere se začenajo to leto in so namenjene do leta 2030 oziroma 2040, tako da prihajamo s velikimi spremembami in moramo se temu prilagoditi kot industrija.
Absolutno lahko tudi v Združenju slovenskih vinarjev rečemo, da je trajnost ne zgolj naš izziv, ampak naše vodilo. Znotraj tega se soočamo z kar nekaj izzivi, se pravi od bolezenskih stanj, naših trajnih nasadov, vinogradov in na drugi strani se pravi do samooskrbe z energijo, čim nižjim ogljičnim odtisom in konec koncev tudi prebiranjem embalaže.
Na področju izdelave žganja oziroma destilacije žganja eno področje seveda pomembno je embalaža, glede trajnosti pa mogoče večje področje skoraj predstavljajo sami vhodne surovine in kmetijski proizvodi. Poleg tega je zelo veliko govora o porabi in vode in ostale energije.
These are very interesting times for the beverage industry. Our packaging is part of the solution, it serves a purpose, but we have to make sure that it is recyclable and that it is collected. We are now going through a transformation that is being pushed upon us by Europe. We should look at it as an opportunity, but at the same time we need to make sure that we as producers are offered the opportunity to decide for ourselves. The message that I give to everybody is get ready. Make sure that your packaging is recyclable. Make sure that your packaging can be collected, and so that we can give to our consumers a fully circular solution.
Torej, tudi na področju pivovarstva imamo velike izzive glede zelenega prehoda, transformacije in trajnosti. Smo kakorkoli veliki porabniki energije za proizvodnjo piva, veliki porabniki vode in seveda naši proizvodi so pakirani v različne tipe embalaže, tako steklene, aluminijaste, kot tudi določenih plastičnih mas. Tako da to, kar smo danes slišali, je seveda, pomembno, smo na tej poti neke transformacije, ki pa mora biti po našem mnenju, imeti nek primeren timing, neke časovne termine, v katerih se lahko kvalitetno prilagodimo in predvsem mora biti na nek način podprta z nekimi tudi znanstvenimi in empiričnimi podatki in dokazi.
We see currently that there are really opportunities in Europe for us to be fully circular with our packaging. We're using glass, we're using PET bottle. They're very good materials. We can recycle them back into the bottles and be fully circular. So this is great. But at an event like this, and I really welcome this opportunity for the event organized, very well organized by the way by our Slovenian association, is also about sharing our concerns and sharing the obstacles that we are facing in our journey towards circularity. And what we see is that we are facing some barriers. One is lack of sufficient collection of our packaging material across Europe, and the other one is lack of access to our recycled material once it is collected. So I noticed today that this is a challenge that we are facing, not only us, Natural Mineral Waters Europe, but also UNESA, Soft Drinks Europe, and our local partners here in Slovenia. And it's really good to discuss this because we see synergies and together we can make it happen and make the most of the opportunity that is presenting ourselves today, which is the negotiation of the new legislation on packaging.